What is 5S? 5S is a lean method intended to implement order in the workplace. The goal of 5S is to improve efficiency by eliminating various wastes, including the waste of motion and time spent looking for tools, materials, or information. Other benefits include improved safety and morale due to a more effective work environment. What is the 5S process? The first step is sort. Remove all items that are not used or needed in a work area. When in doubt, move it out. The next step is set in order. Find the best location for remaining items, set inventory limits, and place temporary labels, lines, and signboards. A place for everything and everything in its place. The third step is shine. Clean, repair, and paint everything, inside and out. Prevent dirt, grime, and contamination from reoccurring. Inspect areas while cleaning. Make it clean and keep it clean. Shine is followed by standardize. Set expectations and processes to make 5S the everyday standard for your workplace. Quality processes on time, every time. And the final step is sustain. Maintain and encourage the implemented 5S procedures on a daily basis through regular checks and recognition programs. The most difficult, just do it. 5S helps to prevent downtime, defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized people, transportation, inventory in excess, motion, extra processing. Looking for more information? Check out nationalmarker.com/5S for more resources.